Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Clock app. Now tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it and click on this plus icon. From here you can set up an hour, and when you're ready click on OK at the bottom right corner of it. Finally, adjust it however you wish to. At the top, you can add label, save it by clicking on OK, or discard it by tapping on Cancel. Now pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then tap on this bell icon. Choose Dismiss in the pop-up and pick one of those sources. You can tap on Sounds or YouTube Music. If you want to use YouTube Music, you need to log in. In order to use Sounds though, click on them, tap on Add New under your Sounds, and click on one of your songs from your smartphone. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and tap on one of those device sounds to set up the best one. In my case, Platinum. Now you can switch on or off vibrations thanks to this little icon. And after that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. In order to delete it, tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. To adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Choose Settings from the list and adjust all of those options under Alarms, like Snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!